My wish would be that all the types of cars and all the types of charging points can communicate with each other without no problems, and that is making EV as universal and seamless as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi.
It was a big week because we worked on a PKI demonstration and smart charging demonstration with 15.8 communication from the car to the charging station and OCPP 2.0 from the charging station to a central system, a supervisor, which is connected to an EMSP, an electromobility service provider.
I'm really overwhelmed with the participation and the feedback we received over the last 2 days. We have a participation record, both in terms of number of companies as well as participants, huge amount of test equipment, all testing with each other on interoperability issues, basically.
The importance of open standards is that any company that wants to join this exciting new industry, they can bring in their new ideas, their capital, and make this entire industry a growing sector and a big success.
The early event was very interesting and useful. For me, the most valuable was to reach the community.
The most interesting thing is that nowadays we are able to witness the development of the technology and how smart charging is evolving and how much it is already rooted into the different OEMs and into the society. So this is the main scale that we can measure the development of the technology and the industry in general.
We are here with our Clarity full electric. We are doing some interoperability tests to look how the charging communication are going to the future. We find out some problems, but I think overall it was very successful.
We participate in this event so that we can test our products against other counterparties, such as if we bring our SECC, which is the modem inside the charger, we test against the electric vehicles. If we bring our EV communication controllers, then we test against the charger counterparts. I'd like to thank ELAAD for hosting this very big event.